Alright guys, so this is pure badminton. I'm doing a gameplay for you guys so that you can see basically how this game actually works. Alright, so let's go on. Alright, so I'm here at the screen. As you can see, now I'm in my settings. What I do is I'm doing English, volume, graphics quality medium, resolution 1080p, full screen, yes, refresh rate 60. On the left, this is Steam overlay. On the right, this is MSI Afterburner, right? So here we have a career, tournament, play, tutorial, credits, and exit. So this is the full pure badminton game. So I will just show you a little bit of this play today. Alright, I just want to show you the play, and there is single and doubles. So today I'll be doing singles, and this is my player 1. So I will be using this guy. This is Michael Franson. He looks more like, you know, Anders is it Antonsen, and he also looks a little bit like Victor Excelson. Alright, so he got a powerful smash and stuff like that. So on here I'll be playing again Zhoushan. So this is the player I'll be playing with. Alright, so this I will be playing Guangzhou, China. Winning set 1. Alright, let's do 2. And I'll be playing professional today. Game speed I'll be playing medium. Placement assistant high, and shuttle trajectory is disabled, right? I don't want to see the line. So this is what I'll be doing today. Alright, so let's go on and see. Alright, so there you go. Here is our first match, 0-0. Let's go. Let's enjoy the game. Alright, this is a clear. Alright, one love. Alright, so currently I'm on the latest one with the new sound, shuttlecock sound. Alright, so this is I'm trying to make it loud a bit so that it is more it's slightly better. Alright. Wow. Wait, I suddenly lost my pace just now. Sometimes the China is a little bit tricky. Wow, that's such a tricky shot. Alright. As you can see, sometimes I feel a little bit yeah, 396 kilometers per hour, man. That is awesome. Alright, let's go. Alright, now let's go for it. This side, clear on the back. Alright, that's nice one. Give me a clear. Alright, give me in the back. This side, this side, this side. Smash! Smash! I mean, it gets a little bit excited for me. Yes! Sorry about that, guys. I get a little bit too excited sometimes playing this game. Holy show! Smash that corner to the back. Smash the corner. Alright. Yeah, that's it. Alright, sorry for ignoring maybe my voice, but I'm trying to enjoy the games as much as possible. Alright, that's 6-2. Alright, this is some of the good long rallies. Oh, this is good. You see, the thing about this game is that it is actually very fun. I can actually like make the player turn here and there, and yeah, I think currently the new professional mode is very nice. So this is the latest one. Alright, there you go, guys. 10-3. Alright. Sometimes the opponent, he react too slowly after he drop shot. Oh, that's nice. This is the ball that sometimes I cannot get, the flat push. Alright. Oh man. Oh, I was tricked. Alright, that's good. Come on, come on. 12-6, I'm gonna give him some pressure. Yep, that's nice. A healthy dose of challenge. This is healthy dose of challenge. Healthy dose of challenge. Alright, good. 14-6. Let's go. Alright. Alright, sometimes I get a bit laggy. Although I can see my GPU utilization to be pretty good. Even my CPU utilization is like less than half, so it's only used like 2 cores. But sometimes the game does get a little bit laggy. Not sure it's because of my hard disk. Whoa, that's a nice match. I would say it's a nice match because I couldn't get that. Alright, that's a nice one. Alright, that's good. Alright, that's good. Oh no. Oh wow. Nice one. Okay. Alright, that's a mistake. That's a mistake, guys. I shouldn't do a cross lock. Alright. That is a huge mistake. Alright, that's a good one. Alright. Okay. Here you go. 20 game point. Alright. It's about 8 minutes of a gameplay now. Nice one, guys. 21 trial, 8 minutes. Oh, 6 minutes. Okay. Alright, so let's go on to the next one. Oh no! That's a wonderful drop. Oh no. Yo, that is so good. That is so good, guys. Thanks Paul for the wonderful tweak and game. The latest tweak is really good. I've been enjoying. Previously the professional was totally unplayable. Now it feels more playable. Oh, sorry, this is awesome. Yeah, I hate this kind of shot where he suddenly pushed to the back and I cannot get the shot. Wow, that is awesome. 3-6. Nice game. Sorry about the camera change. I accidentally pressed it. Woo! That's a nice one. A long rally. 25 shots. Oh yeah, this is my big mistake.
Fault.
Okay, that's good.
Fault.
I thought I can go in front and smash it, you know. That's a nice save, man. Woohoo! Oh no, man. Adrenaline rush. Yep, that's good one. Nice, nice, nice. 10 all. Nice one. Okay, that's my mistake. I shouldn't do that. Nice one, base. That is awesome. Alright, let's go. Alright. Nice. Yo. Yeah, nice one. She leave a gap. That's why I can smash. Okay, can. Okay. Smash. Nice one, guys. Nice one. Alright. Nice one. Nice one. Alright, go. Aya, what is this? It should be net. Yo. The smash sound is good. Alright, the smash sound is good now. Smash. Alright. I'm looking for the chance. He always cannot get the side court because it takes a lot. But I think now it's easier to play lah. Previously you can't score on professional mode. Now you basically can score. Yeah. Nice one. A quick tap on the front. Oi. That's nice. Is this mistake, guys? I thought I have the upper hand. Okay. I always thought I had the upper hand. He smashed. He shouldn't smash because he was out of position. He shouldn't smash, to be honest. Shan shouldn't smash because he was out of position. Alright, 2016 guys. Match point. Oh damn, that was good. That is good. What the? Yeah, what a good match. 21-12, 21-18 on the professional mode. 18. Alright guys, thank you so much for being with me this whole time. If you have watched the end, I appreciate you watching the whole rally, and have a nice day everyone. Enjoy the game, and do remember, if you have not bought the game, do download the demo to try. Alright, goodbye.